Hello everyone, welcome to Mudiaz Academy. Today, we're going to talk about how the traffic light works. First, let's talk about the three colors of the traffic light. The red light means don't enter or stop. The yellow light means slow down or pause. The green light means go or pass. Now, let's talk about how the signals work. There are 4 signals that make up a complete traffic light. 1. Red light. This means that all lanes are blocked and that you should stop or turn around. 2. Yellow light. This means that there is a slowdown or an upcoming red light, so you should slow down and avoid sudden stops. 3. Green light. This means that you can pass through the intersection safely. 4. Double green light. This means that you can proceed through the intersection without any restrictions. Now that we know how the signals work, let's talk about why they may change color. If the red light is changing to yellow or green, it means that the traffic is moving smoothly and that you can proceed through the intersection. However, if the yellow light is changing to red or green, it means that the traffic is getting faster and that you should expect a red light in the near future. Finally, if the green light is changing to red, it means that the traffic is slowing down and that you should stop or go around the intersection. In summary, the traffic light works by using different colors to signal drivers when to stop, slow down, proceed, or change lanes. The signals are constantly changing to ensure the safety of all drivers. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math and science videos.